We also need to talk about what are they doing right? What are the things that are different? But also, understanding and being self-aware that, I'm not always going to find every finding. It's we're human. That's what we do. Every person's different. Every person's going to find different findings. We like to call it that when I was in consulting, it's like it's a point in time assessment done by a human being. We're not going to find everything. It's not an exhaustive test. As much as we'll try to be comprehensive, every pen test is time boxed. If we had unlimited time and unlimited labor on a pen test, that would be awesome. We'd probably find so many more things. But I think it's really learning that, and you learn that kind of through, doing the job for a while and learning that, oh, this is what this is like. This is what it feels like when I think I've done enough. This is what it feels like when I've done a good job. And kind of building that self-confidence and that knowledge that, I've covered all the bases, I've done all the things I think I need to do. There will still be mistakes, and that's okay. I think that's the big piece and it really comes with seniority and kind of having spent time on keyboard and really doing the work.